What's up, guys? AK with DCC train. This is before final assembly video. If you decided to use ESU LED kit, this bar right here, with decoder or without decoder, I strongly recommend to use capacitor. They're selling them separate to prevent flickering. It's good contact here, but it's only like 4 wheels for picking up power from the track. So also I add this LED in one of the bathrooms using Miniatronics wires right here. I believe I have video how I manage pickup, but I can make another one. The toughest part to open that car, it's 5076. The same construction, some of them newer, some of them older, but that was very, very complicated. I'll make another video if I can to manage it. So looks so far so good. This is for function F0. Just be careful if you connecting LED to additional auxiliary outputs. So I'm using F0. Well, that will be all for today. Thanks for watching, supporting business. If you'd like to support channel, please join membership.